Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself quickly. My name is Pooja Shekhar. I'm a fashion designer and illustrator. I make fashion design and fashion education content on my channel. So if you're interested in such content, subscribe to my channel. So let's talk about today's video. So in this video we will be creating a print using this motif. So we have created this motif in our previous video using Autodesk Sketchbook. So I'm making a series on my channel where I'll be introducing you all with applications which you can use on your Android phone for free without any subscription. You can create amazing digital illustrations in your phone itself. So let's start today's video. So I am trying to move this motif, but when I click on the move button and then I'm trying to move it, but only the layer where the motif is drawn that is moving, not the layer where I have added solid elements, shapes to add 3D effect into the motif. So what do we need to do is we need to click on the upper layer and click on merge option. So when we click on merge option, the third and the second layer will be merged together, and when we try to move or rotate or whatever we want to do, all the elements will be moving all along. So like this the motif is ready to create a repeat pattern. So for now I'm duplicating the motif because I want to use the original motif in further use. So I want to keep it like that. So on the next layer I have duplicated it, and now I am trying to rotate it, and I have decreased the size of the motif, and as you can see I am placing it at the corner of the canvas. And now I need another same motif. So what do we need to do is click on the layer and click on copy. So after copying we need to click on paste. So when we click on paste, the same motif will be pasted on the motif. What do we need to do is we need to move the motif. So the motif which we have pasted, that we are moving, and I am rotating it and keeping it in an angle where it is a kind of different than the first motif. So the second motif I have placed in this direction, and to repeat this pattern I want the first motif. So I have pasted the first motif again because we have already copied it, so I am pasting it. Repeat this alternate pattern, I need the second motif now. So what do I need to do when I need the only second part? So I am selecting the selection tool and selecting the part which I need right now. So now you can see, like, if I am trying to move something, only the selected part is being moved. So this is the purpose of selection tool. You can select whichever the part you want and you can move it, copy paste, whatever you can do. So now you can see, like, without selection tool I'm trying to move, then the whole layer is being moved. So to avoid that, I am selecting the particular portion which I need from this layer. I have selected this, then I am trying to move it. You can see only the selected part is being moved. So it's about selection. So we need the second motif, right? So we need to select the second motif using selection tool, then we need to click on copy, then paste. So when we try to move it, only the second motif is being pasted because we have selected only the second motif. So when it comes to print making, this is the basic thing we need to do. Now I'm doing with the same thing with the third motif because I need this third motif to complete the repeat pattern, like to repeat the pattern. So let's do one more time. So I need the second and the fourth type of motif. So I'm selecting the second motif here and I'm clicking copy and then pasting it, and I'm moving it. So I hope you guys must have understood like how I created this line of alternate shape direction of motif. Now we need another line, so I have copied whole canvas and then clicked paste, and then I have flipped the whole line. Now you can see I have adjusted it in a manner where it kind of created a pattern here, and then I have pasted the first line which we have already copied. So like this I have created a pattern, but I can see a lot of gaps in between. So what do I need to do is I am going to the first the main motif which we have created. So I am unhiding it, and then I'm copying it, then I'm hiding it again and coming back to the upper layer and unhiding that layer and adding another layer, and now I'm pasting that motif, and I'm reducing the size like lesser than the pattern size to just fill the gaps which we are seeing. So I am copy pasting the same size of the motif here, and I'm just adding it wherever I want. So the main 4 words we need to remember while creating a pattern is select, copy, paste and move. We need to select whichever part we need, then we need to copy it, then we need to paste it, and then we need to move it wherever we want. So this is about pattern making. Let me just fill this whole pattern, like wherever I see the gap I want to fill it with this small motif. And I have completed the pattern. Now I want to change the background color, so I have added a layer underneath the pattern. So now I'm selecting a few colors. I want to see like which color goes well with this print. So on that layer I'm selecting a color whichever I want, and I'm just using fill tool, and I'm just touching the whole canvas, and the color of the whole canvas will be changed. So this is how we can change or add the background color to the print. So after a lot of thought, then I come up with this decision that I am going to select some color which elevates the print which I have created. So I want to elevate the print, so I want the background to be a little darker, so whatever the print we have created, that will be elevated. So I feel like this is going well with this. With this we have completed creating a repeat pattern on Autodesk Sketchbook, and I hope this video was informative for you guys. I hope you could learn something from this video, and in coming videos I will be creating a collection or a capsule collection out of this print, and I'll explain like how do we brainstorm it, and we are going to have a lot of fun while creating digital illustrations. Trust me guys, you're going to love fashion design after learning these techniques. So please don't forget to hit like to this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any sort of questions you can just comment on my videos. I'll be there for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.